Life can always bring numerous challenges and obstacles in your way. Your goal is to try and overcome those obstacles and come out on top. Often, people are falling under the pressure and enter a new depressing and sad way of life. So let's discuss the thing that will make your life more exciting. Number 1. Gambling. Please note the important thing on this topic. Do it for the fun and not for the money. The interesting thing about gambling is that there are many online casinos where you can wager your money without even leaving your house. Why should you do this? Well, the pure excitement of betting is always present. And great! And if you end up losing your money, you learn a vital lesson. Appreciate your finances and manage them smart. This activity is fun as long as you have a certain line that you can not cross. Who knows? Maybe you will have a lucky day and win a jackpot like some people around the world. Number 2. Sports. If there is one thing that everyone is good at, it is sports. Regardless of the type, some love football, some like basketball, handball, etc. Doing sport is always fun and bring pleasure and joy to everybody. Not to mention that it's a good way to be healthy. If you are willing to do some stunts, I advise you to try some more extreme activities like bungee jumping or skydiving, hiking, cave diving, and more. These daredevil stunts will surely make your heart beat a little faster and will make you love and appreciate your life. Number 3. Traveling. Go out there and explore the world. You have no idea how many beautiful places are waiting for you to visit them. Our earth is full of breathtaking landscapes, nature, big cities, and places that have been there since the dawn of ages. It's exciting to see how much mankind has managed to do with little or no technology at their disposal. It just goes to prove how amazing we are. There is a big chance that you will meet a lot of friends while on the road, so don't just wait. Book your next flight now. Number 4. Volunteering for a charity. Volunteering for a charity is an excellent way to learn how to appreciate and respect people of different cultures, religion, and nationalities. By volunteering for various charity events in your home country or abroad, you will get a nice sense of how to improve your respect and interaction with various people around the world. There is a big chance to meet new friends as well. In short, you have a lot to gain and nothing to lose. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.